अॻियां था वधायूं प्रोग्राम खे ऐं अॼु जे असांजे पहिरें गेस्ट खे मां वेलकम थी कयां जेके आहिनि मिस्टर विनोद आसूदानी। ही तमामु मतिलबु लिटरेट या लिटरेचर में ॾाढो हिननि जो वॾो हथु आहे। 10 गोल्ड मेडल्स हिननि खे मिलिया आहिनि नागपुर यूनिवर्सिटी मां, इंग्लिश जे लाइ, हिस्ट्री जे लाइ, सोशोलॉजी जे लाइ। हिननि खे नागपुर रतन अवॉर्ड बि मिलियल आहे ऐं संदन 30 पेपर पब्लिश थिया आहिनि नेशनल ऐं इंटरनेशनल जर्नल्स में। इहा तमामु वॾी ॻाल्हि आहे ऐं इन्हनि दादा एम कमल जो किताबु इंग्लिश में बि ट्रांसलेट कयो आहे। त मां नींद थी ॾियां ऐं वेलकम थी कयां मिस्टर विनोद आसूदानी जी खे।
शुक्रिया, थैंक यू वेरी मच। आवाज़ अचे पियो?
जी अचे पियो। जय झूलेलाल, तव्हांजो स्वागत आहे डॉक्टर आसूदानी। थैंक यू जो तव्हां असांजे शो में अचण जे लाइ क़बूल कयो ऐं मां चाहींदसि त तव्हां दादा एम कमल जे बारे में असांखे कुझु ॼाण ॾियो।
शुक्रिया, थैंक यू। अॼु मां ॿिनि ॻाल्हियुनि ते रोशनी विझणु चाहींदुसि। हिकिड़ो एम कमल साहिब हिकिड़ा अज़ीम शख़्स, अज़ीम तख़लीक़कार, क्रिएटर जीनियस हुआ। ऐं ॿी ॻाल्हि जेको मूं उन्हनि जो तर्जुमो कयो आहे किताब जो, साहित्य अकादमी अवॉर्ड जंहिं किताब ते मिलियो अथनि उनजो मूं तर्जुमो कयो आहे। ऐं हिकिड़ी ॿी ॻाल्हि बि मां कंदुसि। अॼु हमेशह मां सिंधीअ में ई ॻाल्हाईंदो आहियां पंहिंजे सिंधी कार्यक्रमनि में, पर अॼु डेलिबरेटली allow me to express myself in English. I have very strong reasons for that. As we have all been listening that M. Kamalji has written as many as 40 plays, and he has already been described as a Shakespeare of Sindhi language. And he has written more than 800 ghazals, the largest number so far penned by any Sindhi ghazalkar. And we have always been saying that if a person like M. Kamal, or especially a creative genius like M. Kamal, if he would have been in some other language, definitely he would have been far more popular, far more respected. And that is the unfortunate. And that is why I have chosen today to express myself in English. Because number one, I want that the greatness and glory of M. Kamal should reach beyond the boundaries of Sindhi language. We Sindhis are well aware of greatness and glory of this creative genius. I had a few occasions when I got an opportunity to visit his home in Ulhasnagar. I had just entered in Sindhi literature at that time. And I will share one personal and very touching moment that I still cherish. When in 2004, along with my friend Isar Kalyani, I went to his place and I was surprised that my new book, Baheju Panu, was on his table and he was reading my book. Although I was a very new writer, and he blazed me, and I still remember his words. Vinod, I have seen many young writers, but you are on the right track. So today I believe if I have been able to do something, is the influence of blessings of this great man. So this was my personal memory associated with him. And the reason why I would like to express myself in English, as I have said, that it is high time when the glory and greatness, when the creativity of M. Kamal must go to the world audience. Because M. Kamal is not simply the writer of Sindhi language, although he wrote in the Sindhi language, but language is not a boundary to the great genius. For example, Shakespeare wrote in English, Guy de Maupassant wrote in French, Anton Chekhov wrote in Russian, and Kafka wrote in German. But we all know these great names. So my restlessness is that, my desire is that M. Kamal should be known not only in Asia but all over the world. Let it be German person, let it be French, let it be Russian, let it be Japanese, let it be Chinese. They should know that great genius M. Kamal has written in Sindhi language. And it is precisely because of this reason I have taken upon myself a humble service. I have been translating the great Sindhi writers into English. And by the grace of God and by the blessings of my friends, I have been able to translate 15 Sindhi books into English,
That's wonderful.
including five Sahitya Akademi winner writers: M. Kamal, Arjan Hasid, Vasdev Mohi, Hari Dilgir, and Nand Javeri. It is my humble tribute. It is my humble tribute to these great masters. And I have been doing this work on my own. And through this platform, I would like to appeal to all those great people who are in Sindhi language. The great philanthropists are there, great academies are there, NCPCL there, and so many other organizations are there. It is high time then when we should translate our masters into Hindi as well as English. And only then the world audience would appreciate their greatness. Until and unless their works are not rendered in English language authentically, the world is not going to know about this great man. And that is why I deliberately chose his Baja Varisa, Inheritance of Fire, on which he got coveted Sahitya Akademi Award, and I rendered it into English. I would like to address the younger generation of Sindhi community, because I have seen that they live all over the world, and many of them, they speak Sindhi, but they do not read literature. I know this thing. I regretfully remark that they do not read this literature, and my translation, my speech is addressed to the young girls and boys of the Sindhi language. They should know that when they are reading Keats, when they are reading Wordsworth, when they are reading T.S. Eliot, they must read Arjan Hasid, they must read M. Kamal, because these are the great writers that Sindhi language has produced. And it is because of this I'm trying to get the Sindhi works into English. Now, let me tell you about M. Kamal. We have all been saying that he has got his own diction. And when you look at the ghazal, why he has a special place, in the galaxy of the ghazal writer? Because M. Kamal is a person who has authentically rendered the socio-cultural discourse of the contemporary times. Let me emphasize once again on my sentence. M. Kamal is perhaps the only person who has authentically rendered the realistic socio-cultural discourse of the post-independence society. Each and every fabric of the contemporary society finds authentic and aesthetic expression in his poetry. And this is something great. Usually what happens, the writer who is devoted to the realistic depiction of the society lacks aesthetics. And the writer who is devoted to the aesthetics, he lacks in the realistic depiction of the society. But this rare combination of reality and aesthetics I have come across in M. Kamal. And this is his greatness. Because he, at no point, when you go through his poems, at no point you feel that he sacrifices either aesthetics or reality. And this is really a challenging task. This is really challenging task. Take it from me on the stem paper, that doing justice to both the aspects of the poetry is absolutely rare. And that rarity I have come across in M. Kamal's creative genius. And therefore, I salute this great soul. I put on the record my sincerest tribute. I bow before his soul, and I wish that his soul should continue to guide all of us. And Sindhi language, Sindhi literature must live forever. And I am sure that his works continue to guide us even today. The new writers, young writers like me, we learn a lot from the great creative works of M. Kamal. And when you look at his plays, on the one hand, he satirizes all the shortcomings that are there in the present socio-cultural milieu. On the other hand, if you look at his plays, they bring out the basic human inconsistencies, basic human dilemmas, basic human contradictions, and humanitarian values as well. And it is here that he comes very close to Shakespeare. Why Shakespeare continues to be there, why he continues to be great even today after 400 years of his life. When Ben Jonson who was his contemporary, he's completely forgotten. But Shakespeare is remembered. Why? Because he appeals to the universal passions. And the same is case when you critically look at M. Kamal's play. They have the universal appeal, and irrespective of the time and the place, his plays would continue to be relevant. His plays would continue to be admired. His plays would continue to be appreciated. And that is why we pay a great tribute to this great genius as Shakespeare of Sindhi language. So it is high time that I wish all his literature, entire body of his literature, should be translated into the major languages, at least in Hindi and English. That is the only way, so that his greatness can be understood and appreciated by the world audience. And this is my sincere desire, and I'm sure that this dream is going to come true, because there are many people who love and respect M. Kamal, and through this platform, I once again, I want my voice to be heard by those who are sensitive souls, those who are empathetic to the cause of Sindhi language and Sindhi literature. And I really, from the core of my heart, I thank Shobhaji, Barkhaji, and all other people who are associated with the conduction of this program, that they gave me this opportunity so that I could speak out my heart before you. And once again, I put on record my sincerest tribute to this great creative genius, M. Kamal. Thank you very much to one and all.
तव्हांजी वॾी महिरबानी डॉक्टर आसुदानी. ऐं आई न्यू असां नॉर्मली इहो ई चाहींदा आहियूं त असांजे शो में हमेशह सिंधीअ में ई हर को ॻाल्हाए, पर मां सम्झां थी त तव्हांजा इमोशन्स एॾा स्ट्रॉन्ग आहिनि दादा एम कमल जे लिखणी ते, उन्हनि जी लिटरेचर ते, त तव्हां चाहियो पिया त जेके नॉन सिंधी बि आहिनि या जेके यंगस्टर्स आहिनि उहे तव्हांजी ॻाल्हि सम्झी वञनि, ऐं तव्हां चाहियो था त उन्हनि जो लिटरेचर लिखियल, दादा जो लिखियल घटि में घटि इंग्लिश ऐं हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट थिए, त इहे इन जे लाइ मां तव्हांखे सल्यूट थी कयां त तव्हां पाण ख़ुदि एतिरो सुठो लिखंदा आहियो, मूंखे ख़बर आहे, ऐं केतिरनि सेमिनार्स में मूं तव्हांजा पेपर ॿुधा आहिनि. एंड वॉट आई रियली ट्रूली अप्रिशिएट इज़ त तव्हां कॾहिं पेपर लिखी करे उते पढ़ंदा न आहियो. इट इज़ डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द हार्ट. त a big salute to you for that. And you being such a good writer yourself, Dada M. Kamal ji life, almost you treat him like your guru, which is superb. And matanjo your book in fact it's in my hand and I read it, Inheritors of Fire, and I truly enjoyed reading the translation. तव्हांजी वॾी वॾी महिरबानी जो तव्हां अॼु असांजे शो में आया ऐं एतिरियूं ॻाल्हियूं सुठियूं सुठियूं असां सां शेयर कयव. वरी मिलंदासीं असां डॉक्टर आसुदानी. महिरबानी तव्हांजी.